Hello, I'm Rex Banks. Welcome to another episode of Ask the Audiologist. It's a web series that provides information on hearing health and assistive technologies. In this episode, we'll be talking about when to book a hearing test and what you can expect when you meet one of our audiologists here at CHS. When deciding whether you need to have your hearing tested, there are a few questions you should ask yourself. Have you noticed a change in your hearing? Do you often ask people to repeat things? And are you turning up the volume on your TV or radio? Because hearing loss happens gradually, it frequently goes unnoticed. Many people are also in denial about their hearing loss, even though they often withdraw from family, friends, and social situations because they can't understand what's being said. At CHS, we can help you improve your communication skills and stay connected. Even if you're not sure you have a hearing loss, a hearing test will help you to better understand your hearing and provide a baseline so you can track changes over time. At your appointment, our audiologist will ask questions about your audiological history and hearing concerns. We'll check your ears for wax buildup and perform a range of tests to assess your hearing capabilities using state-of-the-art equipment. The test results are recorded on a graph called an audiogram. Following the hearing test, our audiologist will review the results with you. If you have a hearing loss, there's no need for alarm. We'll help you explore all your options and may recommend a hearing aid evaluation. During a hearing aid evaluation, our audiologist will review your hearing test in detail and answer any questions about your overall communication ability. They will also go into greater detail about hearing aids, including how they work, their benefits and limitations, and different hearing aid styles and technologies. We'll also ask questions about your lifestyle, activity level, communication goals, and the type of listening situations you need help in. All this is done to ensure you can make an informed decision about what product works best for your individual needs and your budget. At the end of the hearing aid evaluation, our audiologist will be able to prescribe and order a hearing aid for you. And that's all for this episode of Ask the Audiologist. If you have a question you'd like answered on a future episode, just email me at rbanks@chs.ca. Thanks for watching.